Over 60 and waking up flat? No pulse of energy, no morning signal, just that heavy, sluggish feeling that makes you wonder if your best mornings are gone forever. But here's the good news. You don't need pills or complicated routines. Just 60 seconds of chewing a simple natural food can quietly restore your circulation and bring back that morning strength. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, a urologist with over 25 years of experience helping men protect their heart, prostate, and vitality after 60. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what to chew, how it works inside your body, and the one mistake most men make that blocks all the benefits. Stay with me, because in less than a minute, you'll see why this habit works so fast. Here's something surprising. The simple act of chewing is far more powerful than most men realize. Chewing activates enzymes in your saliva that start breaking food down instantly. That means nutrients are absorbed faster and circulate more efficiently. Think of it like preheating an engine. When you chew properly, you're priming your bloodstream to deliver fuel where it's needed most, your heart, your brain, and yes, your mornings. In just a moment, I'll reveal the exact foods I recommend. Men over 60 chew for 60 seconds, and the simple ratio that makes them so effective. Miss this detail and you'll miss the results. But get it right, and you may be surprised how quickly your body responds. The first food I recommend is garlic. I know it may not sound appealing, but garlic is one of nature's most powerful vascular tonics. And when it comes to restoring circulation after 60, it deserves your attention. Garlic contains compounds like allicin and sulfur molecules. These only activate when the clove is crushed, chopped, or chewed. Once released, they help your blood vessels produce nitric oxide, the very signal your arteries use to relax and allow blood to flow freely. Without enough nitric oxide, circulation slows, mornings fade, and confidence disappears. Think of nitric oxide like the green traffic light for your blood vessels. When the signal is strong, blood flows smoothly to your heart, your brain, and yes, your mornings. When the signal is weak, it's like every light is stuck on red. Traffic builds up, energy stalls, and firmness fades. Chewing just a small clove of garlic for 30 to 60 seconds mixes these compounds with your saliva, letting them get to work almost immediately. The benefits go beyond mornings. Garlic thins the blood slightly, lowers high blood pressure, and protects arteries from stiffening, vital protection for men over 60. In a moment, I'll show you the second food I recommend chewing daily. One that adds warmth, boosts circulation, and even supports testosterone naturally. Don't miss this. The second food I recommend is fresh ginger. This root has been treasured for centuries, and modern science now confirms why. It's one of the most powerful natural boosters for blood flow and vitality. Ginger contains active compounds called gingerols and shogals. When you chew a thin slice, these mix with your saliva and go to work quickly, relaxing blood vessels, reducing inflammation, and even supporting healthy testosterone levels. It's a natural way to restore circulation without relying on medication. Imagine ginger as turning up the dimmer switch on a lamp. Slowly, the light gets brighter, the room feels warmer, and energy returns. That's what ginger does for your body. It gently raises nitric oxide, warms circulation, and brings more oxygen and nutrients exactly where you need them most. Many of my patients also notice better digestion, less bloating, and even calmer nerves when chewing ginger regularly. And because stress is one of the biggest enemies of performance, this calming effect makes a real difference. So now you've seen garlic and ginger, two natural foods with powerful effects. But in a moment, I'll share a third option that not only supports circulation and hormones, but also protects your heart and brain as you age. The third food I recommend is walnuts. Simple, familiar, and yet one of the most overlooked tools for men's health after 60. Walnuts are rich in an amino acid called arginine, which your body converts into nitric oxide. The same compound released when you chew garlic. More nitric oxide means wider, more flexible blood vessels and stronger circulation. On top of that, walnuts provide healthy omega-3 fats, the very building blocks your body needs to produce testosterone naturally. Think of walnuts like premium fuel for your engine. The arginine opens the pipes so blood can flow freely, while the omega-3s give your body the raw material to keep hormones steady. Together, they keep the system running smoother and stronger every morning. But the benefits don't stop there. Walnuts protect your heart by lowering inflammation, supporting healthy cholesterol, and keeping arteries flexible. And for the brain, studies show regular walnut intake supports sharper memory and focus, vital for staying independent as you age. So now you've seen garlic, ginger, and walnuts. 3 natural foods that can be chewed in just 60 seconds a day to restore circulation, hormones, and confidence. But here's the key. Most men make one critical mistake that cancels these benefits. In a moment, I'll show you what that mistake is and how to avoid it. Now, before you rush to the kitchen, let me clear up a few myths, because even the best foods can fail if you use them the wrong way. The first mistake is thinking more is better. Some men chew 3 or 4 cloves of garlic at once, or handfuls of ginger. Instead of helping, that overload can cause heartburn, stomach upset, and even push your blood pressure too low. The secret is consistency, not excess. A single clove of garlic, a thin slice of ginger, or a small handful of walnuts is plenty. The second mistake is timing. Chewing these foods right before a heavy, late-night meal or with alcohol cancels much of their benefit. Alcohol dehydrates you and blunts testosterone, while greasy dinners slow absorption. The right time is simple, after a light evening meal or as a calm nightly ritual before bed. The third mistake is giving up too quickly. Too many men try garlic or ginger once or twice and say, "It didn't work." But your body isn't a light switch. It's more like a garden. One watering doesn't grow a tree, but steady care brings results. Give it a few weeks, and you will start to notice real changes. In a moment, I'll share a real-life case study of a man in his 60s who started this chewing ritual, and the surprising changes he noticed within just a month. Let me tell you about a gentleman I'll call Robert. At 66, he came to me feeling discouraged. He said, "Doc, I wake up flat almost every day. I've tried pills, but the side effects scare me. I just want something simple and natural." I suggested he start with one small ritual: chew a clove of garlic in the evening and alternate with ginger every other night. Nothing extreme, just 60 seconds a day. Within 2 weeks, Robert reported warmer hands and feet. A clear sign circulation was improving. By week 4, he noticed stronger morning energy, and, as he told me with a smile, a return of those signals I thought were gone for good. His wife noticed the difference too. More confidence, more laughter, more connection. Small, steady habits had changed the rhythm of his mornings and the tone of his marriage. Here's the lesson. Vitality after 60 isn't about chasing magic pills. It's about working with your body, not against it. When you give your system natural tools, like garlic, ginger, or walnuts, consistently, you activate the same pathways your body relied on in your younger years. You're not forcing it. You're reminding it how to work. And in a moment, I'll share how to put all of this into one simple protocol you can follow tonight, plus the 3 supplements you should avoid before bed that secretly sabotage your circulation. Oh, how do you put this into practice? Here's the exact protocol I recommend. Take 1 small clove of raw garlic or a thin slice of fresh ginger, and chew it slowly for 30 to 60 seconds in the evening. On alternate days, add a small handful of walnuts, chewed thoroughly. That's it. No pills, no gimmicks. Just a steady ritual your body can actually use. But timing matters. And there are 3 common supplements you should avoid at night, because they can sabotage your results. 1. Vitamin C. Great for immunity, but at night it can disrupt sleep quality and blunt hormone recovery. B-complex vitamins. They act like stimulants, revving up your nervous system when you need calm. 3. Any supplement with hidden caffeine, often snuck into fat burners or energy blends. Take these at night and you're fighting your body's natural rhythm. Gentlemen, weak mornings aren't inevitable. They're a signal. When you give your body natural tools, even just 60 seconds of chewing, you remind it how to work the way it was designed. Start tonight with garlic, ginger, or walnuts, and see what happens after a few weeks. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried these foods before? Share your experience in the comments. It may inspire another man to take the first step. And don't forget to subscribe to Men's Health 365 DG for more doctor-backed strategies. In my next video, I'll reveal 3 so-called healthy foods that actually lower testosterone after 60. You won't want to miss it. A disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet, supplements, or health routines, especially if you are over 60, have existing conditions, or take prescription medications.